Hello dancers and welcome. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am Tiekka and this is Everyday Ballet, where we specialize in authentic, gorgeous ballet training for adults. You don't need to have a dancer's body and you don't need to know anything about ballet. I'm here to show you everything about it and to help you bring some ballet grace and power into your life. In this video, we are continuing on with our tutorials for our Waltz of the Flowers dance along. Now, this is part 4, so if you're just tuning in, you're gonna wanna make sure you check out my Waltz of the Flowers playlist. And remember, like, subscribe, share, and if you're looking for a deeper ballet practice or you really wanna learn how to do ballet from the very beginning, definitely check out my ballerina body programs at everydayballet.com. I'd love to share more ballet with you. I'm so delighted you're here. Let's ballet. In this tutorial, we are going to be taking some of the steps that we've already done up a notch. So we are going to see arabesque yet again, this time with a releve, and we are going to be taking the leg to passe or retire, as it's called. So these are just slightly larger positions, slightly more complex movements that we're doing here. But don't worry, if this feels like too much, you can always just do the low legs and on the floor without adding these additional layers to the choreography. Now, as you can see, I have a ballet bar here. Make sure you have a support, like a countertop or a ledge or the back of a chair or bar stool. That will really help as we learn how to do this step. So the first step that we're going to see here is a chasse releve arabesque. Now that sounds like a lot. We have learned chasse, which means chasing or chased, and so we're going to be combining this chasse movement with a releve arabesque. And so you'll want that light support. Go ahead and step close to your bar. Now, chasse we learned was that chasing step, and we always sort of slide out with bent knees. We're gonna be seeing the same thing here. We're gonna slide out with the bent knees, but instead of bringing that other leg and doing that little gallop and jumping and separating again, we're going to do what's called a releve arabesque. Now, releve means raised, and what it is when we're up on the balls of the feet or the tips of the toes. The heels are raised up, the body is raised up. And we're going to see that with arabesque and with chasse. So what does that mean? What it means is that we're going to be up on one leg on the ball of the foot, just like this. Now notice I have a very low arabesque and I encourage you to keep it very, very low. And the way we get into this is with our chasse. So it looks like this. We have plie and then we do the releve, the push. So what's happening here is you are doing a bend of the knees and you're sliding, you're transferring weight from the back foot, you come through the middle, and as you come to the front foot, you push off with the back leg and you push straight up onto the ball of the standing foot. So that is a releve arabesque. So if you were starting in first position, you would slide out, and you can use both hands on your bar if you like, and you push up, just like that. Let's try it again. From first position, you slide out, and you push up. Let's come back and try it again. From first position, bend the knees, slide out, push from the back foot up on to the front ball, and the leg is behind you. That's it. Let's try now to the other side. So from our first position, remember I'm your mirror image here, so the leg that's going up is the one that is facing your support. So we do bend, push out, and then push up with the back foot to a little arabesque onto the ball of the standing foot. Let's do it again. Standing in first, that nice tall posture, we bend the knees, slide, and push. And 2 more times. Muscle memory is such a good thing. Bend, slide, push. And one more time, bend, slide, push. Excellent. So that is our releve arabesque with chasse. Chasse, releve, arabesque. So passe means to pass, and it is a position where the toe is at the knee, and oftentimes this little passe is used to pass from one position to another. This step is also called retire, and retire means withdrawn. So oftentimes if the leg is out and we withdraw the toe to the knee, that's the retire. So they look basically the same, just a slight difference there in the mechanics, but I'm just going to call it passe. And so when you're doing the passe, just the position itself, the toe is somewhere approximating the knee. Now, if you're newer to ballet, you may want to take it down to the calf, and some of you may even want to take it down to the ankle. Either way, wherever you are along the leg from the ankle bone to the knee, you want to make sure that the knee is opened out. The passe isn't turned in, the knee is opened out. Doesn't have to be opened out a lot, but you want it opened out. And now we are going to combine our chasse, releve, arabesque and our passe to change our feet. So to begin, we are going to face the side of our box. You may recall the box, we're standing in the center of a box. So this is the front wall of the box. We're going to face the side wall of the box in our first position. So taking a gentle first position, heels together, toes apart, and you can place that other hand on your waist. We're going to bend the knees. And now from here, you're going to slide out. This is your chasse, and if you need your hand on the bar, feel free to do that. You're going to push up, releve, arabesque. Now from here, that back foot is going to start coming forward. As it comes forward, you're going to come down, the feet are crossed. And now you're going to stand up on that back leg, which is now the front leg. As you do that, you are going to face the front of your box. And you have a choice here. You can either be in passe with a flat foot, or you can push up to the releve. Good. And now that toe is going to come down the front, and you're going to switch. You're going to face the side wall of your box. You're in first position, and we're going to slide out chasse, releve, arabesque. The back foot comes across, and you can either come up to the releve or flat foot facing straight forward. And then that foot comes down, and we start to turn to the other side. It's a little bit awkward having to manage our support here, so if you need to step away, you can definitely do that. But this is just to get our coordination and to be able to have support to go slowly. So a couple more times, we will face the side of our box in first position, and we bend the knees, and then sliding out in our chasse, we do our releve arabesque, keep it small. And then the back foot comes through, the feet come down, the knees are bent, and then we face the front wall. And then we change to the other side, first position, slide out, releve, and then cross, and then stand up in passe. Let's try it now with the releve so we can take a look at what that is. Standing in your first position, we bend the knees, we slide out chasse, releve, we bring the foot through, we're still facing the side, and now we're going to face the front with the releve. And now that foot comes down to the front, we change facing the side, and then we do plie chasse, releve, and then bring that foot across, we're still facing side, and then we do releve passe to the front. So a little bit faster. We change direction, we go to the side, cross, front, cross, side, cross, front, cross. Two more times. Side, cross, front, cross, side, cross, front, and finish. All right, so that is the basic step, and you are also welcome not to do the releve at all. If that does not feel like something that you can do, just stay with flat feet. You would do a chasse, lift the toe just a little bit, cross, toe, cross, chasse, cross, toe, cross. So we're going to do this with music both ways so that you can have a chance to start to get that coordination and really focus on the coordination of the feet and legs and the bending of the knees. Standing in first position, facing the side of your box. Here we go. Chassé, stand, cross, passe, cross. Chassé, stand, arabesque. Cross, stand, and cross. Chassé. Just flat feet. Cross, up, cross. And facing the side, arabesque, cross, stand, and just finish. Excellent, excellent work. So now we are going to do it with a releve to see what that feels like. If that is not something you wish to do, don't worry, you can just do it on flat. Standing in first position, here we go. Releve towards the side wall. Releve. Releve forward and cross, other side. Chassé, releve. Cross, lift, cross, change directions. Chassé, releve. Cross, lift, cross, change directions. Chassé, push up strong, cross, releve, and coming down. Excellent work. So there you have it. Practice, practice, practice doing either chassé releve arabesque or standing on flat, as well as releve passe or passe on flat. And I look forward to seeing you in a few days with part 4 of our choreography. Until next time, happy dancing.